Good morning students, welcome to class 4 mathematics. Today we are going to study revision class. So revision. Now I have written the question 1. Last class 3 questions we had studied, that's why I have written 4, but again 1 I have written. 4 I have written. So calculate the interest paid. Calculate the interest paid. Question is there, serial number given, amount given, amount with interest given. Here interest we have to find. Amount with interest minus amount is interest will come. So amount with interest is how much is there? 650. It is amount plus interest. So it is only amount is there. So amount you have to subtract from amount with interest. Then how much will come? That is the interest. So subtract. How much is there? 50 rupees is there. So you have to write here 50. Do you understand how it is? Amount with interest is given. It is amount only given. So you have to subtract these two. Then interest will come. That interest you have to write there. Next question is, here amount 750. Amount with interest is 850. So how much will come? 850 minus 750. Then how much will come? 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 8 minus 7 is equal to 100 rupees. So you have to write here 100 rupees. Then here amount is 956. Amount with interest is 1200. Amount with interest is 1200. So you have to subtract. How much? 0 minus 6 is not possible. Here also 0 is there. So that's why you have to brought from this here. Then it is 10, then 10 you have to brought here, then it is 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Here already you have to taken 1, then 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here left only 9. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Here how much is there? 1 you have taken, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 only left. 1 minus 9 is not possible, again you have taken 1 from 1000 place. Then it is 11. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Then how much will come? 244 interest. Then here 2000 rupees amount and amount with interest is 2680. You have to subtract amount with interest minus amount. 0, 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, 6 minus 0 is equal to 6, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So how much is there? 680. Then now next come to the here. Amount is 5,000. Then amount with interest is 6,000. So you have to subtract. How much will come? 1,000. So 1,000 is the interest. Okay? Do you understand? Interest how you find? You have to subtract amount with interest minus. Okay? Now see the next question. Here question is there. Read the following table and answer the following questions below. Here table given, questions below the table given. You have to find the answers of the questions. Then question is serial number 1. Item is erasers. Price is rupees 42. 6 erasers cost equal to 42 rupees. Then find here how many erasers? 30 erasers cost. Then how you will find? You have to write 6 erasers, cost of 6 erasers. The cost of 6 erasers equal to 42 rupees. Then you have to find the cost of 1 eraser. How much will come? You have to divide. Divided by 42 divided by 6. How much is there? 6 7 is 42, 7 rupees. 1 eraser cost equal to 7 rupees. Then here we have 30 erasers cost. How much will come? Then you have to find the 30 erasers. The cost of 30 erasers. How much will come? Then you have to find. Say 30 into 7. 7 3 how much? 7 3 21. 0 you have to put. How much is there? It is 210 rupees. There is the cost of 30 erasers equal to 210 rupees. So you have to write here 210. Do you understand? 6 erasers cost equal 42 rupees and 30 erasers cost how much is there? You have to write here. Then what you do? First you have to find the 1 eraser cost. then you find the 30 erasers cost. Next question please. Here, see, 10 pencils cost equal to 30 rupees. Here, how many pencils cost? It is asking 8 pencils. Then first you have to find the 1 pencil cost. So, the cost of 10 pencils equal to how much is that? 30 rupees. Then the cost of 1 pencil first you have to find. What you will do? You have to divided by 30 divided by 10 equal to how much? 10 3 is 33 rupees. 1 eraser cost equal 3 rupees. How many erasers you need? 8 erasers. So cost of 8 erasers. The cost of 8 pencils, not erasers. 8 pencils equal to how much is there? It is 3 into 8. 3 is how much? 24. So therefore, the cost of 8 pencils equal to 24 rupees. Here you write here 24 rupees. Like that way, 5 sharpeners. The cost of how many sharpeners here? 2 sharpeners cost equal to 15 rupees. 2 sharpeners, the cost of 2 sharpeners, how much is there? 15 rupees. Then 1 sharpener, first you have to find. How much will come? 15 divided by 2. How much it will come? 7. 15 by 2 means how much will come? 2 7 and 14, 1 by 2 rupees. 7.5 rupees. 750 means this. Then how many erasers? How many sharpeners you want? That is 5 sharpeners cost. The cost of 5 sharpeners. How much will come? 15 by 2 into 5. How much is that? 5 15 5 is 75 by 2. How much it is there? You have to divide. 2 3 is 6, 15, 2 7 is 14, 1. So it is 1 by 2 means 13, 37, 1 by 2 means it is 50 paise. So 37 rupees 50 paise. This is. So you have to write here 37 rupees 50 paise. 37 1 by 2. Then 4 staplers cost. 5 stapler cost equal to 110. The cost of 5 staplers. How much is there? 110. Then 1 stapler, how much is there? The cost of 1 stapler, 110 divided by 5. Then how much will come? 5 to the 10, then 10, 5 to the 10. Say how much is that? 22 rupees. One stapler cost equal 22 rupees. How much is asking? 4 stapler cost. Then 4 staplers. How much will come? 22 into 4. Then 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. How much rupees are there? 88 rupees. Do you understand? First you have to find 1, then you find how many he is asking. Next. Okay, next is how many? Question A. 50 rupees notes are needed to make 200 rupees and second is 800 rupees. Then how will you do? You have to divide 200 by 50. Then how many notes is needed? So 200 divided by 50. Then how much will come? 50 for the 200. How many notes come? Notes needed? 4 notes needed. So you have to write here 4 notes needed. Like that way, 800 rupees, have to divide 800 by 50. Then 800 by 50. 51 is 50. 0. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. You have to subtract. Then 0. 56 is 30. So how many notes are needed? That is 60 notes are needed. Do you understand this one? 50 rupees notes are needed to make 200. 200 divided by 50 will be, and 800 divided by 50 will be. How many notes it is needed? It will come. Next, 20 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes are needed to make 190, and second is 270. First you put 190 divided by 20 rupees you have to do. 190 divided by 20. 2 9 80, you know that. Then 0 you put. Then 229 180. Then how much will come? 1. So 9 20 rupees notes. Then 10 is there. Means how many 10 rupees notes? It is only 10 rupees, only 1 note is there. 1 note. This 10 note is that, 10 note is 10. Only 1 note is that. So 1 10 rupee note and 20 rupees notes needed. Next, 270 divided by how much is that? 20, 21 is 20, then 70, 23 is 60, then 10 right. How many notes is 20 notes? That is 13 notes needed. Then here 10 means only 1 10 rupee note needed. 10 1 10. 1 10. As I told you, have to divide the given amount divided by given notes. Then 500 rupee notes are needed to make 7,000. 7,000 rupees divided by 500. Then 7,000 divided by 500. 500 1 is 500. Then 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 0 you keep. 5 4 5 for the 20. Then 40 notes. 500 notes are needed to make 7,000 rupees. Then 9,000 rupees. Here 9,000 rupees you have to divide. 500 1 is 500. Then 0 you keep. 9 minus 4 is equal 5 is equal 4. Then 5 8 is 40. 2 zeros are there, 2 zeros is equal. How many are there? 18 notes needed. Like that way, 500 rupees, 100 rupees and 5 rupees notes are needed to make 1,220. 1,220 divided by first 500 rupees. 500 rupees notes, how many needed? Then you have to divide. 500 to the 5 to the 10. Then 210. Again 5 4 is 20. Then how many? 24 notes are needed. 500 rupees notes, 24 needed, and 100. So you don't know. It is 500 only. Here 220. It is less than 500. So 2 notes 500 rupees is there. Then this 220 you divide with 100 rupees. Do you understand? It is 1,220. It is 500. 500 to the 1,000. Here left only 220. 220 is less than 500. So 500 rupees only 2 are there, and these 220 you have to divide with divided by 100. 100 to the 200. Then how many 100 rupees notes are there? It is also 2. Then how much left? 2. 20. 20 left means how many 5 rupees notes are there? So 5 you have to divide. 5 4 is 20. How many 5 rupees notes are there? That is 4. Do you understand this one? 2 notes are 500 rupees, 2 notes are 100 rupee notes, and 4 are 5 rupees notes. Like that, you have to divide 3 numbers. Then next is how many needed? 1840. 500 notes first you have to divide. 5 3 is 15. Then 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. It is how many 500 notes? That is 3. Then 340 is less than 500. Then this you divide with divided by 100. 100 3 is 300. Then how much came? 100 rupees notes 3. Then 40 is 40 divided by 5. 5 8 is 40. How many 5 rupees note? That is 8. This way you have to divide and find the how many notes you needed. This much for today. This much for today. Next class we will study some more numbers. Thank you.